Amber here. So I figured out how to turn my microphone on. It had to require a new update for my microphone to be on my phone. But I figured it out, and now we're gonna be playing this game. It's called The Dead, and it's a horror game. I've never played it before, but I've seen it earlier. Let's play. Chapter 1 first. Yeah, let me turn this down real quick. I'm gonna leave that one just so I can wait until it's down to like 10 seconds. Okay. The Dead. Chapter 1. I don't know what that accent was I just did. 11:59 p.m. Oh, 12 a.m. actually. Okay. Creepy. The beginning of the end. Okay. But what is going on with my arms? Right, what's this? Open. Ooh, a ladder. Well, I just jumped up. What's this? Teddy bear. Is this Sally's bed? Yo, Sally Williams? I'm sorry. Door locked, key needed. Okay, we need to get a key. We need to get a key. Where can I find the key? Ah, turn off the lights. What's this? Don't do nothing. Hello? Doesn't give me a button to like open it. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a key. Wow, I walked right past that. That's crazy. We're gonna turn on the key. We're gonna open up the door. We're gonna open the door. We're gonna open the door won't fucking open. Why won't the door open? Bro. Open the door. Open now. Thank you. Wow. Generous. Open now. Open the door, please. Veronica, open the door. What is that? Okay. So, I'm not too sure what I'm supposed to do in this game. I'm pretty sure my older brother probably plays this game. I'm not 100% sure. He's addicted to horror games. Yes, I just called him out. Love you, brother. But, what's up here? Abso-freaking-lutely nothing. The fuck? Nah, what's that noise? Did something just jump from the ceiling? Okay, then. No, it's me. Oof, we got a broken glass table. What is this, the back rooms? Yo, am I entering the back rooms? Bro, what in the back rooms is this, bro? Okay. I guess we're just gonna follow this tunnel and see what happens. Why is my screen like blackish? I'm not gonna question. But like, what is this? Hell no. Hell no.
Is anyone there?
Bro, are you dumbass? What the hell is that? Is the wire on fire? Okay then. Wire's on fire. Not my problem. Door. What is this? Open. Whoa, what's this? Glow stick? Probably. Another glow stick? I feel like I was here before. No, the door's closed, so clearly I wasn't. What the I'm gonna get out of this room. Okay, I don't know what that was. That was strange. So we're gonna keep going. We're gonna go this way this time. Like we're gonna go in. Of course I need a fucking key. I don't wanna go in that room. Is there a key out here? Please be a key out here. Please be a key out here. There's literally no keys out here? How? Damn it, I guess I gotta go in this room. What the hell? It figures. I wish there was a way to like increase my speed on this. There probably is, but it probably costs Robux. I used up my Robux. We don't talk about that though. Well, that's what you're supposed to do with Robux. You're supposed to use it up. Open the door, please, Veronica. Open the door. Veronica, can we not fight anymore? Thank you. What the? Oh, I got jump scared by that. I know. Above us are the unfortunate. What? The unfortunate. What is the unfortunate? Wow! I wasn't paying attention. I forgot about that. It's like a mental hospital or something. Trying to open this. What? Hell nah. Whoops. Well, y'all saw nothing. I definitely didn't just fall. I want that door open. Okay. What the Nah, get me out of here. Fuck no. I don't trust that. Oh well. Dude. Why won't any of these doors open? God. Door opens. Okay. What the fuck? No. Nope. Ah! God, that's scary. No, because that just... Oh my god, that scared the living crap out of me. Wait, I kind of want to go back in. Oh god. Okay. Nice school. Are you just a statue? Oh, you're checking something. What's down here? Jesus Christ. Ah! I don't know what this area is. I don't think I'm supposed to be down here. To be honest. Maybe I am. There's like a door right here. This reminds me so much of the game Doors because of all the doors. You don't know what door you're gonna pick. You don't know if it's gonna be the right door or the wrong door. Like, one of these doors can have a fucking jump scare. And you know what the game door is. That game has a bunch of jump scares and shit. What's in this door? The key. Oh, there's a lockpick. What's up here? Uh-huh. No, nothing. Okay. Dum 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 dum. Bum ba-dum bum 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 bum. Somebody once told me the world is gonna love me. Another note. This reminds me of fucking song. Those who are broke have yet to live. Okay. Lockpick. I got a lockpick. How about that? There we go. Yeah, I gotta put my legs down. They're falling asleep. I was sitting crisscross or cross-legged. Low key. I wonder what is done. Okay, well, what's down this hallway? There's a little obstacle course.
Did anyone else see that?
What? Who said that? No! How did I die, bro? Okay, well, I guess that's gonna be the end of this video. See y'all next time, and bye. Blah, blah, blah. Next time I make the video, it's gonna be either Eyeless Jack or 99 Nights in the Forest. I don't know. Bye.